I don't know about you, but sleep is one of the most valuable commodities in my life. And it seems like no matter how hard I try, I can never get enough sleep. Can you relate? If so, this short video about the best remedies for getting more sleep might help you. Please stick around until the end, because you never know if there's something in here you've never heard of that could be the answer to your sleep problems. Alright, let's get right to it. My personal favorite recommendation, and something I started doing regularly a few months ago, is practicing mindfulness. Now, before you close this video out because you're not into that mindfulness stuff, give me a chance to explain the way that I practice mindfulness. I only practice mindfulness once a day and for about 5 minutes a day. And I do it while I'm laying in bed at night trying to fall asleep. Basically, all I do is turn off all noises, like from your TV and your radio. I turn off the lights and then I lay in the darkness. While doing so, I let my mind think of anything it wants to think about, without judging if it's rational or not. And that's it. Nothing fancy. This kind of mindfulness practice helps me because it gets all of those crazy thoughts out of my head, instead of making them come out 30 minutes into tossing and turning. Give it a try, it might help you too. This next remedy is pretty obvious, but I still want to talk about it for a moment. If you're not falling asleep easily, your body probably has way too much energy to go to sleep. If you already exercise, try doing it a little bit harder or for a little bit longer. If you don't exercise, a half hour a day of some simple exercises can do wonders for your ability to fall asleep faster. Before I move on to another remedy for getting more sleep, I want to tell you about something we're offering on our website. If you're experiencing disruptive sleep patterns, or you wake up often throughout the night, we have a digital course that might help you. I don't want to waste any of your time talking too much about this course in this video, but if you want to learn more, go ahead and check out the link in the description. Alright, now back to the remedies for sleep. Let's talk about some massages. If I got more of these, massages would definitely be my favorite remedy, even above mindfulness. I don't get them enough, but when I can afford the time and money, a massage has done wonders for my sleep. You'll feel the benefits of a good massage for at least a week too. If you've tried everything else except a massage, just do it. Don't waste any more time. Get on Google, find somewhere local, and schedule an appointment for yourself as soon as possible. Alright, now the last thing we're going to talk about in this video about the best remedies for getting more sleep is lavender oil. There was a time when it was completely normal for people to stuff their pillow with lavender flowers to help them get a better night of sleep. These days, though, you can use lavender oil in an aromatherapy diffuser. They are very affordable on Amazon, so get you some lavender oil and set it up in your bedroom when you're getting ready to go to sleep. Getting enough sleep is very important. Besides being in a better mood throughout the day because you're well rested, not getting enough sleep can be very bad for your health. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you got something of value from the remedies we shared. If you did, then please consider clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. It will help us a lot. Also, remember there's a link in the description to the digital course we talked about earlier in this video. Check it out, and maybe it'll help you get more sleep.